All, this is Shubhangi. I represent tulips and daffodils. Ours is more related to nursery products, and whatever we create is we follow only two things. One thing is we don't want to use any chemicals. It's a chemical free, completely organic. And second thing is we wanted to always deliver quality product. So let me quickly introduce my products to you. So this is our tulips and daffodils kids kit.
So Shubhangi, what are you introducing today?
So yeah, my first product is Creative Kids Kit, a kit for kids to learn gardening. So
okay.
my product
Shubhangi,
is
I would like to actually, just stop you here and tell people that last week we had presented few products for you, and do go and watch that live as well. And this week specifically is for families and kids. And in that note, from the nursery products from tulips and daffodils, we have bought her specific product especially for kids, and she will also be talking about her other products as well. So Shubhangi, please go ahead.
Thanks, Kadam. Yeah, so this kit is exclusively designed for kids from 2.5 to 3 years as well. So let me show you what are the items which we keep in this kit. So we have a seed packet, mostly organic spinach. I mean, on a spinach which grows fast, so that we don't want to test kids' patience. So we have a seed packet, and we have an exclusive potting soil of our tulips and daffodils. This is a well-balanced formula. This is a well-balanced formula with cocoa peat and lake soil and vermicompost, and this is powered with neem. So this is powered with neem. So it is also a bio-pesticide and bio-fertilizer combination. So it's very safe for kids. Kids can play with this sand as well. Instead of giving any chemical sand, this is how the sand would be, a potting soil. Yeah. And then this kit also has something which is creative. So we give laces, we give fevicol, we give some additional cute flower kind of laces, so that they can decorate the pot. And this is what the label is, where one side they can write their name, and the other side they can write whatever they plant. And then we have designed this pot in such a way that it is easy for kids to handle it. It's very small mini pot, but at the same time the seeds put in this germinates very well. So it's very handy, and it's earthen pot. It is not with terracotta, it's earthen. And it has a small hole here, so that if even there's additional water which is seeped, water which is poured, it seeps out. So this is our earthen pot. And recently we have customized it with one paint and brush as well. And we sell this kit for 300 rupees right now. Let me show you some samples what kids have done. Yeah, obviously with parents' guidance. Yeah, this is one of the sample with whatever we are given. And
so
this is
Shubhangi, you have all these items as a part of your kit itself. Like there's a paint, the ribbon, and
exactly let me repeat the kit items. It comes with a pot.
Open your you showed some small set of things inside a small packet, right? The decorative items. Can you just open it and show, because unable to see what that exactly is?
So, yes, I can do that.
So is this basically because kids will love to be part of artwork, and parallelly they also get to learn gardening? Is that how that works?
Yes. Yeah, exactly. So we just wanted to engage kids into gardening as well as into some creative activities, so that at least few hours we can bring them out of gadgets and other technologies which are really high now, and which is also required right now. But we wanted kids to more engage themselves independently, and that is the age where all the creative mind would grow. And only when they be creative, it would grow. So what we give in the kit basically is a earthen pot, and we give our lace like this, and we give any colored lace, random colors. We give fevicol, and these are very small flower kind of laces again. which we give them to decorate the pot. I will show you some samples with this. And we also give a brush, and we give a paint bottle, random color again, which we don't know what comes in which packet. And we also add it with potting soil and a seed which germinates very fast for them, and the label where they can write their name one side, and they can also write the seed, whichever the plant name on the other side. So this is the activity which is going to be.
This
I
is
just
very
wanted to show
creative and very, very beautiful, Shubhangi. I'm sure like it also creates that the gardening interest in them, but at the same time keeps them engaged for at least 1 to 1.5 to 2 hours productively. And post to
Yes.
that, I think on an everyday basis, they go and learn to nurture nurture what they actually sow. I think that's coming with a lot of value as well for the kids. Yes, please go ahead, Shubhangi.
Yes, Kadamri, it comes with more value. It brings a daily routine, and it also brings them a curiosity of, yes, what is happening to my plant, and eventually they also take care of their plant. So there are lots of basic characters which they get built in by default. And obviously we know that plants and pets, they both bring a balance in kids character. So this is one of the sample. It was done by my 3-year-old kid, and it's been 10 days now. The second day itself, it germinated very well. And this is how she painted the pot and stuck it, obviously with parents' guidance, for at least couple of hours on one day. Yeah. And this is another sample which is done. This is like the painting was done by the kid, but obviously the flowering part was additionally with parents' guidance. So, and again, this kit is 300 right now, but additionally, what offer we are giving is, generally we don't give the pot separately without the kit, but if in case there are parents, or if in case there's a need, you can take one additional pot as customized pot, or many pots for additional 50 rupees. Like one pot is 50, which we are giving out of the kit. So you can buy one kit and take one pot for 50. If you want two pots, you can take for 50 plus 50, which is 100. So this is an additional offer which we are giving. Generally we don't give pots out of the kit, just because we had a couple of feedbacks that pot is required for so many seeds. We thought, okay, we will give it as an offer for Independence Day. That is one additional offer which I wanted to mention. This is only till August 15th, 5 o'clock. So from today till August 15th, 5 o'clock, the first 50 customers will be eligible for this offer. And whatever products which I'm going to show within tulips and daffodils, the first 50 customers will have 3 offers from us. One is an offer of customizing the kit. Second is they will get a surprise, either they will get a surprise gift, or they will get a surprise discount in their overall bill. The only conditions which is applied is their minimum order should be more than 500 for the free delivery after all the discounts. And second condition is, it should the delivery pin codes should be within Chennai location. This is what we wanted to mention, and we wanted to make this as Independence Day offer. Now I move on to my second product, which I have already explained, potting soil. Not only with the kids kit, we also supply potting soil separately as a separate
Shubhangi, I
product.
have a small question for you here. Sorry for interrupting you.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
for people who are watching this and will be watching this video in future, this is an initiative by WEDO, Women Entrepreneurship Development Organization. And today we have our members of WEDO Work Peer, a collaborative marketing system for women entrepreneurs. And my question to you, Shubhangi, is you've been talking about potting soil. So what is a potting soil, and how is it different from the regular normal soil that anybody uses for a pot or for plants? Is it different?
Okay. Yes, it's very much different. First thing is the normal sand. Yes, obviously your sand should be good for any plant to grow. That is by default. But what is the difference is, right now in today's scenario or today's condition, our atmosphere has changed in a very different way. The humid is more in the atmosphere, the heat is more in the atmosphere. So this potting soil has the potting soil generally has a combination of soil, it has a combination of coco peat, and it has a combination of fertilizer as well. So we have used the biofertilizer in this, which is also manufactured in our own farm, which I'll be coming as next product. So what happens when this is used when compared to the normal soil? If the heat is too much in the atmosphere, your topsoil, actually the water in the topsoil evaporates very quickly. But when this soil, this well-balanced potting soil, when it is used, the moisture is maintained by the coco peat, which is nothing but they call it as tinganari in a very powdered way. So basically this maintains the moisture so that it doesn't allow the root of your plant to dry very fast. When your root dries, your plant gets weaker. So this helps your plant root to stay with whatever moist required. So whenever the plant root needs water or moist, it takes from this soil, but it gives more. And if there is excess water, still this soil coco peat absorbs it and maintains it and supplies only when the root wanted the water to be taken. This is the difference with normal soil and potting soil. If you are yes, the plant also grows in normal soil, but this plays as an additional support, and it helps your plant to be more healthy and grow very faster. It helps also the seed to germinate very fast, because for seed germination you need appropriate temperature to be maintained, which will be maintained by a combination of this soil. And let me explain about our soil, our tulips and daffodils potting soil. This is a well-balanced combination of coco peat and lake soil and our tulips and daffodils vermicompost. So our tulips and daffodils vermicompost has a neem combination. So this since it also has neem, it acts as a biofertilizer and a pesticide which is already in this soil. So it is safe for kids and safe for plant. It also increases the root immunity, so that this soil would fight from roots to get attacked by any pest. So this is our well-balanced potting soil. We have different kinds of offers. For offers, please reach me in 888-4466-127. This is my phone number, and it is also, you can also write a WhatsApp to it for offers. Again, I'm repeating, the first 50 customers from today till August 15th, 5 p.m. will be surprised either with offers or with a surprise gift or any free product. So this is what our potting soil is.
Wonderful, Shubhangi. So do you have anything else to be presented this evening?
Yeah, I have one more product, which is my, as a product, I have my vermicompost.
Second, Shubhangi, please give me a second. So to the viewers out there, what you're watching now is WEDO Online Bazaar, and this is an initiative by Women Entrepreneurship Development Organization, and we are now presenting our members and their products. This evening, we have 3 of our women entrepreneurs presenting as a part of this campaign, Buy from Women Entrepreneurs. I request all of you who are watching and who will be watching in future to be a part of our campaign and support our women entrepreneurs. I already hear yes from Shubhangi's farm. So once again, thank you for joining us, and over to Shubhangi once again. Yes, Shubhangi, please go ahead.
Yeah, thanks, Kadam. So, so my next product is neem powered vermicompost. So, what is vermicompost? That will be, it is a bio fertilizer, and our formula and combination has our formula combination specifically is in such a way that we had appropriate amount of earthworms and neems with our cow dung and little bit of soil which is added with the process itself. So it gives us, after 45 to 60 days, it gives us a strong NPK vermicompost. Yeah, what is NPK? NPK is nothing but the nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, which is very much required for your plant root, shoot, and flower formation. So phosphorus is for flower formation, nitrogen is for vegetables, and potassium is for overall root and shoot growth of it. So we do a test for every batch, and and we have got a well balanced result, and our NPK is very strong. So this is our neem powered vermicompost. Because it is powered with neem, it also acts as a biopesticide as well. So there's no chemicals. It is completely natural process, and we give it in a very concentrated way. So your usage is more where you use 1 cup, you can use half a cup of it. So it's very concentrated.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you very much, Shubhangi. So your kids product, your vermicompost and your potting soil, these were excellent. And I'm sure people out there will be definitely supporting you on your venture and your efforts. May all your efforts be fruitful. And thank you once again, Shubhangi.